Today, the weather was beautiful and cloudy. Rain can come anytime soon. I was in the mood to have a passion fruit today. Quickly plucked a ripe one from our garden. We don't need a lot of money to be happy. We just need to keep our worries aside, have a calm and peaceful mind to experience small but real happiness. Few more passion fruits are hanging there. I'm waiting desperately for them to get ripe. Let me take you to the apartment where I lived before. This was a year ago. We were making a balcony bench. I wanted to test its durability, and even after a year, it is in great condition. It's very easy to go to a store and buy a furniture. It will look aesthetic as well. But I felt couple of things in our house can be made by ourselves. Not to save money, but to cherish the moments spent while making it. The planning, execution, and results are all worth it. Let's come back to my present home. Some beautiful roses have bloomed. I hate plucking flowers, but couldn't stop myself from plucking a few this time. I wanted to make some gulkand. The flavor of gulkand is irresistible. Never deprive yourself from being happy. Small guilty pleasures should be always welcomed. When nothing seems to be good around you, cooking yourself a new dish will give you immense happiness from within. The food doesn't have to be a full course meal. Even a simple dish like gulkand will make you happy for so many days. Gulkand will be kept in the sunlight for the next 7 to 10 days, and then we will be able to enjoy its magical flavor.